Subliminating.
Subliminating.
You can't push it with your unclosed.
Yeah, you have to make sure and do it with your finger in the glove. Shove it down in there.
Shove it.
It'll fit.
It subliminates. It does not melt. It goes straight from solid
Tap it
to
with the water
gas.
bottle.
Use your thumb now. Push it. No, push it. Push it, Sam. Push it.
Push it down.
That looks cool right there.
It does look cool.
That's cool.
And that's still edible too.
No. Get the other glove and the bottle of water.
In my hand.